Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is employee turnover prediction app. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. So this model will predict the employee turnover on the basis of some input parameters. Like here the input parameters are STAG. STAG means the experience level of the employee, gender being the gender, age, industry, in what industry does the employee work, what is the profession of the employee, traffic means through which pipeline did the employee came into the company, through advertising, through social media or what. Coach, was there any training in the company? Head gender means the head supervisor. Gray wage means the total salary or which is not involved into the tax. Way, extraversion, independent, self-control score, anxiety score and novator. Now let's enter some input values to this parameter and check what is the turnover for an employee. So for stag, let's say 7, 6. Gender female, age is 32. What is the industry? Let's assume banks. Profession, HR. Traffic is random value to employees. Was there a coach? No. Head gender will be male. What is the gray wage? Means white. No taxation. Way, through which way? Bus, by train or taxi means anything you can enter. Extraversion is let's say 6.2. 4.1. Self-control score, let's assume 6. 5.97 approximate. Anxiety score is 7.2. Novator 6. So you can see that we have entered all the values. Now let's click predict button and it will predict the turnover. So you can see that it has successfully predicted the value. Now if you want to get the source code for this project, you can go here in the file section and click on app.py. Here this is the code, this is the source code to create the project. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.